Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today looking at this 2012 Freightliner Cascadia 5-axle dump truck. We got two 13,200 pound steerable lift axles on this one, as well as the extra long frame stretch. I believe this is a 25-foot 7-inch axle spread, and probably about almost 4-foot gap between the bed and the cab there, just under 4 foot. So as you can see, we got the 18-foot Ridge Lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing with a couple extra options on there. A few extra lights on the side, no cab guard, electric tarp system, and we'll go ahead and take a walk around the back here. We got the frame mount hydraulic tank and battery box there, as well as fuel tank and def tank on the side of the cab. We got the heavy-duty apron with the pipe in the back, and we got a couple extra lights there in that plate. There's just a bunch of light options, like endless light options. We could put lights anywhere you want on these trucks. And on this particular bed, we got the reverse lights there on the side of the frame. As you can see, those are about as bright as headlights, those LED reverse lights. And this bed is all LED lights as well. Go ahead and take a look at these lift axle suspensions. Got the Hendrickson suspension on there on both of these. They fit nicely on here with the fuel tank here on the passenger side. We could have made this truck shorter, but most states, the longer your truck is, the more weight you can carry. We also did the upgraded front suspension with the 315 tires here on the front. Got the Yokohamas on there. Got the fenders painted. This particular Cascadia has a DD13 engine, and that weighs about 400 pounds less than the Cummins ISX 15. Go ahead and jump in the cab here. Take a look at that. DD13. Yep, nice Freightliner cab here. Got our power takeoff, inner axle lock, the lift axle switches here, and the suspension lowering right there. And then we got the mechanical dump body controls, cable control, air controls here. This is basically our mechanical control package. Basically the simplest, most reliable setup. We can do electric over air and a bunch of different options with the controls. We can even put all the controls right here in the dash as well. So this is another custom truck that we have just gotten done here. Please give us a call or visit our website for the many options we have available, and we can get you some quotes on putting a nice truck together for you. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thank you for watching.